Good morning, my great community here in Massachusetts. How are you guys doing? Today, October 15th, 2025, exactly 9:24 a.m. Here once again with your licensed insurance agent, Lucas Pires, streaming directly from our agency, One Family Insurance, 3 Lancaster Ave Lunenburg, Massachusetts. And I'm doing this video today specifically for you that got into an accident and have no idea, doesn't have any heck of idea what to do. First thing, we always tell our customers to take your phone out, start taking pictures of the accident, pictures of the other vehicles, license plate, and if the other driver is willing to share information from his driver's license, for example, his registration, please do yourself the same thing. Provide your driver's license and your registration. If you can, also provide your policy number and which insurance carrier you're insured with. Here in Massachusetts. And to finish the interaction, you would need to file a police report. Generally, the cops are called, PD or state police. If it's a highway the accident located at, they'll come by and they will issue the police report in a business card. And that police report will be allowed online for you within 48 to 72 hours, okay? Once you have all that information, we will be able to file a claim and then go over the coverage if you have a rental car, so you can schedule rental services for you while your car is being repaired. If we are bringing the vehicle to a repair auto body shop at your location, it's all a matter of communication, okay? I'm gonna leave a description on the video here. If you guys need to get a quote, you're paying too much for your auto insurance as well, don't hesitate in contacting us. We are always with our doors open to receive you guys here. We also do all the DMV processes in the house, on site, plates issuance on site. We do new registration transfer, so we don't have to go to the DMV, face lines, hours of lines, and then for some reason the system is down, you have to come back another day. No, here within the comfort of our walls, we're gonna make sure that you're also taking care with those services, okay? Once again, Lucas Pires from One Family Insurance. Have a great and an excellent day. Bye.